Don't you think the minions would have learned by now to stop running through the lane? Because they're just going to die.
Now giving Dig time to recuperate and assess the fight. Zion Spartan, he makes the leap and he makes the strike.
Give me some skin.
Give me some skin? What the?
That's what you say when you want to fist bump someone.
Give me some skin. No, dude, that's messed up.
Give me some skin.
That's messed
It's not
up.
messed
Give me
up.
some That is definitely messed up.
Okay, amazing ward jumps, but is he going to be able to finalize? The Sonic Wave does not hit, but he's in position.
You are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say that I want it that way.
Teleport, he's going to come in. Is it going to go down in favor of Team Solo Mid? Oh my god, it's stolen by No Name. They get the Baron. They shut down Double Lift. LMQ completely wipes out Counter Logic Gaming. Sneaky is very healthy. One shot can kill a few. Oh my god. Oh no. One shot can kill a few. That's what he needed. And here it comes. Sneaky's going to turn it around. And he